To fix another printer, the printer is jamming the paper, so whenever I'm trying to print, the paper is jammed. I'm going to show you an example right here. So I already put a paper over here. I'm just trying to make a copy. Okay, we're going to open the big tray over here. Open this big little tray, and as you can see, the paper is jammed right here. So try to figure out how to fix this. It's a HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. Go to the setting, click on this little settings right here, and then go all the way down to until you see the printer maintenance. Once you find this one, and clean smear, click on this one. This one will take up to 1 minute, 1 up to 2 minutes. So please do this one 2 or 3 times. I'm out of paper. I have to insert some papers. Press OK. OK. It's not gonna print anything. It's just the paper will come out clean. But the first time is gonna jam the paper. Please make sure to open the hood and remove the jam paper from there, and take it out and repeat the same thing again 2 times. And if the second time happened the same thing, remove the jam paper and do it the 3rd time. Go. The paper is empty. It's not printed anything. It's just for the cleaning. So the last step is when you go to the setting, perform the setting too. So go to the setting, go right here all the way down. There it says printer maintenance, and then all the way down. So just remember, when it says clean smear, click this one like a few times, 3 or 4 times, and then the last step is to restore your printer. Restore factory default, continue. I will take a few minutes. Let's print copy. Color. There you go. My black ink is finished, so it's already been completed. So as you can see, do the same thing. I'm gonna make one more copy or I'm good to go. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos.